No yeast, no waiting, no problem. Let's make soft chewy bagels in just minutes. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm sharing an instant bagels recipe without yeast, super easy, quick and perfect for beginners. I'm also sharing a super easy homemade bagel seasoning recipe. Simply mix everything together until well combined. That's it. Your homemade bagel seasoning is ready. Store in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2-3 months. Now let's prepare the dough for bagels. In a mixing bowl, add all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt and sugar. Mix them well. Now add yogurt and combine to form a soft dough. Knead lightly for 2-3 minutes until smooth. Add yogurt little by little to form a dough. Transfer this dough ball to a flat countertop and stretch and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 to 5 equal portions, roll into log and join the ends to form a bagel shape or poke a hole in the center. Boil water with sugar, drop bagels in for 20 to 30 seconds each side. This gives a nice chewy texture just like classic bagels. Place on a baking tray lined with parchment paper, brush with milk or butter. Add sesame seasonings which we prepared earlier. Bake it in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. For extra color, brush milk or butter on top in last 5 minutes. Here are your beautiful instant bagels, soft inside, slightly crisp outside and ready in no time.